Hi everybody, very quick video just to show you how to use the cross swap DEX from Fibswap. Very easy. We're going to use Fantom and BSC today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap some Fantom tokens over to Fibo tokens, and I'll show you how to do that and how very quick it is. Now, what you have to remember, you need some Fantom native token in your wallet, and you'll need some BNB native token in your BSC wallet as well. So always remember that when you're doing a swap on Fibswap DEX. So first things first, we're going to switch the network because we want to swap from Fantom over to BSC. So we're going to switch network and we'll go over to Fantom. And that's just saying, giving you permission to switch the network. That's fine. So you're going to get that anywhere. Let's try to connect to something else. So we're on the Fantom chain to start with. And we're going to do Fantom tokens. You can see I've got 29 there. What I'm going to do is max, and I'll just go to 25. So at the moment it's saying too small, so we'll just push it up a wee bit. Right, okay, so go to 28. I don't know why it's saying too small, because that should be enough for the Fantom price, unless it's dropped below the $20. So for 28 Fantom tokens, we have 26,000 Fibo tokens. So we'll start the transfer. That's just a quote it's given you. And if you're doing this for the first time, you'll get a kind of a pop-up from MetaMask just to sign it, just to say, yep, everything's cool to do that. And so we'll do transfer. And it's just telling you what we're going to do. Click on confirm, successfully transferred. And then you're going to get a message saying waiting for router. Now after you've done that, and after that's disappeared, just switch network to the network you're transferring over to, which is the Binance Smart Chain, and that's after the confirmed transaction here. So we'll switch that. Again, it's just giving permission to switch the network. Cool, done, dusted. So now we're just waiting on this completing. So it's done it from one chain, and now it's going over to the other chain, which is the Binance Smart Chain, to buy the 26,000 Fibo tokens. And this will go to completed. Once it's gone to completed, you have to remember and click on it. So you have one active, so X that. Still waiting on router. And that should complete. It was taking a while before, but now it's doing it within 1 or 2 minutes. So we'll just do that live and just wait on it, just so you know the exact time it's going to take. And then what we'll do after that, we'll check the actual change just to make sure everything's gone through okay. So we're just waiting on this going through. As I said, it takes about a minute or two, but it's not that long. It is long on video, obviously, when you're watching it on video, but it's not that long at all when you're actually doing it. And you can go away and do something else as long as you don't close that window. You're okay with that as well. And I'm going to be doing more videos on this because I really think this is just such an easy thing to do, and it's not been done by anybody else successfully like this. So I'm going to be doing more videos on this, how to swap from Ethereum to Binance, how to swap from Binance to Polygon, and all the other chains it uses as well. So that's it complete. So click on complete, and then we just have to sign again, and just make sure it's dex.fibswap.io. Sign that, and then we'll complete it on the other side, which is the BSC side. And this is why you need to know that you've got enough BNB in as well, and enough Fantom in as well. Okay, that's it. That's it done. So what we'll do, we'll just check that we have done this. View account in Explorer. About 20. And you can see there 25,898 tokens. So it's taken 100 odd tokens off for fees, etc. But that's it, done just now. So yeah, dead easy, within a couple of minutes, crossed from the Fantom chain over to the Binance Smart Chain, and using a token as well. So I'll do other videos on this just to show you how easy it is as well, and we'll catch it live as well. Okay, that's it for now. Until the next video, namaste, take care, bye now.